Hey, Danny, and welcome to my vlog. This is a continuation of how to measure the arms when you're buying a dress shirt. It came. Amazon Prime. Did it in 3 days. So here we are. Yep, actually the right color. Good. And now it's going to be, let's see, apparel, long sleeve, 34 to 35 sleeve, turquoise medium. We'll find out. Omega, Italy. So, and then it's right on the inside of the shirt, the actual size. Get it out of its package here carefully. If it don't fit, you gotta go back. Now, some areas I checked, they want you to measure from the back of your neck down to the end of the sleeve, or back of the neck to the shoulder, and then the shoulder to the thing, yeah, to your sleeve, and then others. How was it? To the side of the neck? Yeah, I believe side of the neck. There was several ways to do it. And I chose from the back of the neck. We're going to see. Because a couple of the comments there was the sleeves weren't exact. They wanted you to do the sleeves, meaning that the sleeves weren't correct. They said order a little bit longer. Well, that's the longest I could order it medium. Take all the neck stuff out of it. No, it's hard to see it. Just got to get the pin out. Get the pin out. Now button it. Omega. Very good. Thread on the top button. She wanted her dad in turquoise. I don't know why. But anyway, here we go. Here we go. Let's see. What do you think? Yep, neck is good. Not that tight. And of course I got a shirt underneath it, but of course I'll be wearing a white t-shirt anyway. There we go. Okay. Plenty of length to it. And yes, it's actually perfect. No kidding. Okay. So there's your answer. From the back of your neck to the end of the sleeve. And that worked. Fit great. Alright. And that was from JP. JP on the internet, or on Amazon. So we're We're good. JP Apparel off of Amazon. Plenty of chest space for me. Alright. I like it. So there you go, folks. Measuring your sleeve. Measure it from the back of your neck to the shoulder, and then from the end of the shoulder, back of the neck to the shoulder, and then shoulder down to the end of the sleeve. Sweet. And it's got double cuffs, and you can also, it's even got a cuff. It even has a, you can put cufflinks in it if you want. Okay, takes care of that. Nope, gotta wait. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we will catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs. And again, I want to thank JD Apparel Men's. And we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs. Yeah, it's got fused collar for comfort and fit. Still got the, I think I still got the cardboard in there. 6-button front. Placket sleeve for full for clean fitting apparel. Adjustable cuffs and full cut body. And that's the Omega shirt. Alright. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe.